Do you already have an avatar you want to use in a Visla video project?
In this tutorial, we'll focus on adding and customizing an AI avatar in your video project. If you'd like to learn more about creating a custom avatar, the difference between basic and advanced avatars, or choosing among Visla's different avatar layouts, check out the respective tutorials linked in the description below. Let's start by creating a new project with Visla's video agent. Enter your prompt and add any source material you want Visla to use, such as a script, link, document, presentation, or existing footage. Continue to the video setup screen and open the avatar menu. Turn on Use Avatar, then select an avatar from your public, custom, or starred collections. Next, select how the avatar should appear in your video. You can let Visla choose using AI dynamic layout, keep the avatar full screen, or place it over supporting footage. You'll also see options for basic and advanced avatar. Visla automatically assigns the advanced model for full screen and the basic model for B-roll overlays. These settings are fully adjustable if you wish to change the models. Below the avatar model menu, you can turn the preview option on or off to see your avatar in motion before generating the final video. When this option is turned off, Visla uses the avatar's profile image during the preview instead. The final generated scene will still include the animated presenter. For full-screen scenes, you can also let Visla generate a wallpaper behind your avatar. When your settings are ready, click Generate. After Visla creates your video, you can refine the avatar scene by scene in the scene-based video editor. Select an avatar to change its size, position, or shape. You can move it into a corner, make it more prominent, or reposition it so it doesn't cover an important part of your footage. You can also replace the selected avatar, remove it from an individual scene, or add one to a scene that didn't originally have a presenter. This makes it possible to use the avatar only where it supports the message, rather than keeping it on screen throughout the entire video. Each scene can also use a different avatar model. Changing between basic and advanced avatar will regenerate the scene, so review the script, avatar, layout, and background before switching. Need to revise what the presenter says? Edit the narration or replace the audio for that scene. While you're editing, the animated avatar will temporarily return to its profile image. Regenerate the scene when you're ready, and Visla will create a new avatar performance that matches the updated narration. This allows you to correct a line or update part of your message without having to rebuild the entire video. And that's how to add, edit, replace, and remove avatars inside a Visla video project.
For more help, watch our tutorials in the Advanced Avatar playlist, or comment on this video with any questions.